Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to install the Paranoid launcher on any Android 11 or above device without root. Before we get started, I want to mention that this launcher is based on open source code, so it might not work perfectly on all Android devices, especially those with heavily customized ROMs or default launchers. The download link for the Paranoid launcher and wallpapers and styles is available in the video description. Here's a quick overview of what the Paranoid launcher offers. It's built on the stable version of Paranoid Android 11, so you can expect a reliable and feature-rich experience. The launcher has a clean and minimalist design inspired by the Pixel 2a, making it visually appealing. Since the Paranoid launcher is based on Android 11, Monet theming is not currently supported. This means you'll need to install wallpapers and styles separately if they're not already installed on your device. Go to the link in the video description and download the Paranoid launcher APK file. Once the download is complete, tap on the APK file to install it. After the installation is finished, open the Paranoid launcher app. You'll be asked to set the Paranoid launcher as your default launcher. Tap Yes to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully installed the Paranoid launcher on your Android 11 or above device. With its clean design, customizable options, and solid performance, the Paranoid launcher is a great choice for anyone looking for a fresh and functional launcher. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials.